Okay, so today we will be doing Cramer's rule of 3x3 matrices. So we will start off with the system of equations. AX plus BY plus CZ equals J. DX plus EY plus FZ equals K. And GX plus HY plus IZ equals L. Or in matrix form, ABC, DEF, GHI times XYZ equals JKL. So for finding the determinant, you want to multiply A times E times I plus B times E times G plus C times D times H minus C times E times G minus F times H times A minus I times B times D, and that is your determinant. So you want to basically record that number. It'll be useful later on. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to find the value dx. This is the determinant of x. Basically, in order to change a matrix from this form into this form, you just substitute the answer matrix for the x values. So resulting in, well, this matrix, which you can find the determinant of by multiplying J times E times I plus B times F times L plus C times K times H minus C times E times L minus F times H times J minus I times B times K, and that is your dx value. So you're going to need to do similar things for dy and dz. For dy, you simply want to make them, change the matrix so the answer matrix is in the y column, which is the center column of your 3x3 matrix. And for dz, you want to substitute the answer matrix into the z column. You want all of this information for later, when you have to find the answer. In order to find the answer, what you have to do, you have to take your the overall determinant, let's call that M, and in order to find your answers, let's say you're looking for X, you need to divide, it's hard to write like this, you need to divide, you need to divide dx by M, and that equals, let's say that equals C. No, S, whatever. Okay, so that is how you get your answer. For X and Y, you do similar things. Y and Z, you do similar things. You just simply do Y equals, and instead of using dx, this time you use dy divided by M, and that equals your answer for Y. You do the same thing for Z, and yeah, so now you solved the matrix. In order to check this, you plug it back, you plug these answers back in the equation. Is this right? Yeah. So you plug these answers back into one of the equations. So let's say X equals S, Y equals T, and Z equals U. So you want to plug these back into the equation. So let's do the first one. So A times S, which is your X value, plus, where is this? B, that's not B. Anyway, so B times T plus, that's really hard to write through the camera, plus C times, I should probably use a different variable there, U, and that's going to have to equal J. So, yeah. If that works, then you solve the matrix correctly. So, yeah, that's how you do the Cramer's rule on 3.